He's 20 pounds of fluff, 200% energy, and 1000% charm. Zooming in with tail wags, wiggles, and pure Cobberdog chaos. Here comes Rusty, singing, "It's a beautiful day." Because when he's around, it always is.
I woke up, saw the snow today, and you know that means Zoomies all the way. Fluff's looking good, I'm ready to go. Somebody open that back door. It's a beautiful day, the best kind of way to sprint in the yard, then roll and play. I got no worries, I'm feeling light until I get stuck in the snow, but that's alright. Watch me go, you can't catch me. I run so fast, I'm basically a husky. The cold don't bother me, it's a dream come true. Now I'll tackle a snow pile too. It's a beautiful day, I'm flying away. Nothing can stop me, okay, maybe I should stay. But I regret nothing, laying here, feeling great. Snowflakes on my nose, I'll celebrate. I'm a puppy, it's my day. Somebody tell Carbon to come and play. It's a beautiful day, no worries today. I'll run till I crash, then nap away. Give me belly rubs, I'll never frown. Just don't make me come inside and calm down. It's a beautiful day, and I love my life.
Thanks for jamming with us today, friends. We had a positively great time.
If you smiled even once, give that like button a little tap.
Share it with your pack and your cat crew too.
Smash that subscribe button like a cat on a keyboard, because the tunes and the tales are just getting started.